Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 3, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Coohom account step by step. Let's get started. To begin, open coohom.com in your browser and hit enter. Once the website opens, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, click login. If you're new, click sign up to create your account. On the sign up page, you'll see 3 options for registration. Sign up with Google, continue another way, or continue with your email. If you don't want to use Google or a social account, simply click continue with email. Now, enter a valid email address and click next. Then, set a secure password and click on sign up. After this, Coohom will ask you to verify your email address. Open your Gmail inbox, find the verification code sent by Coohom, copy the code, and paste it into the verification field in Coohom. Then click Verify. Once your account is verified, you'll land on the Coohom welcome page. From here, you can either click Create New Project to start designing, or click Explore Workspace to get familiar with the platform. You'll now see your dashboard. Under My Projects, you can start creating your first interior design project. That's all for today's video. In the next video, we'll explore Coohom Pro versus Coohom Basic, what's included, what's different, and which one is right for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all upcoming lessons in this masterclass. Also, don't forget, you can get 73% off on all Coohom Pro subscriptions by using my exclusive promo code, Home Designer. And also, you can get 10% off on all Coohom Elite Plan subscriptions using my exclusive promo code, HD Elite, valid from August 13th to August 24th. So grab the deal now. Just click the link in the description to grab the deal. I'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll continue building your skills step by step. Happy designing!